Hey guys, Spencer Kaufman here with the Internet Hustler YouTube channel. Today we're talking about Webull. Hey everyone, welcome to the Internet Hustler YouTube channel. Today we're talking about a cool platform called Webull that is like we and bull, like you and me, we, and bull, the animal. So why is it called Webull? Well, basically Webull is named for a number of reasons. The main one is because we are bullish on the markets. So you want to make money, and that's what this app is. It is an app and a platform that can help you invest and start making your money work for you. So that's what we're talking about today is Webull. You can join with a link in the description below. They always have all kinds of great bonuses. So here's a hint. Join using a referral link and you will get some bonuses. Now, currently they have a great bonus where you join with a referral, you get a stock. You fund your account, you get a stock. Then you want to open up a crypto trading account, you get $5 worth of SHIB, S-H-I-B, or Shiba Inu. It's the latest pump coin. Now, depending on when you're watching this video, that promotion could change, but pretty much you're going to get free stuff when you join through a referral link. Disclosure, because I want to be upfront with all of you guys, is that when you join with my link, I really hope to get a free share of stock or $5 in SHIB as well. So don't worry about joining through a link and saying I'm not going to give this Internet Hustler guy $5 in SHIB. I'm doing this to help you out. I'm not worried about the $5 in SHIB, but I want you to join through the referral link because you can only get all this other free stuff if someone refers you. So put your pride aside, join with the referral link, and get a free share of stock when you open a brokerage account, $5 in SHIB when you open a crypto account. You get another free share of stock when you fund your account with $100. Then, if you do recurring deposits, they'll give you a bonus share. That's at this point in time. So you're looking at 3 free shares of stock and $5 in SHIB. That's just for starters. They always have contests going on where if you share stuff on social media, you get fractional shares of a company. You invite other people, you'll get this. All kinds of great promotions in Webull. So what is it? Hopefully, you don't even know anything about it yet, but hopefully you're going to join because you're going to get some free stuff, which is kind of the purpose here. The point is free money is always good. So take the free money. Now let's talk about what you can do on Webull. Well, for starters, you can get a brokerage account. What does that mean? Well, in the past, brokerage accounts were accounts that you got with big-time companies like Morgan Stanley, Charles Schwab, E-Trade, Ameritrade, Scottrade, which is now part of Ameritrade. They bought them out. All of those big companies had brokerages or brokerage accounts. You would call up your stockbroker or your broker and tell them what you wanted to do. They would go do it for you. Now with Webull, you can do that on your own, which is really cool. So you can do that. You can get this brokerage account. It doesn't cost anything. In fact, they'll give you a stock to do it. So you get your free stock, then fund the account. They give you more stock, and now you can start buying stocks. You can also trade options, which is a little bit more advanced. It's like placing a bet on which way stock is going to go. So you can do that. They're always adding more. So eventually they're going to have things like mutual funds, brokerage, ETFs. Right now you can trade some ETFs. Right now you can also do IPOs. So like IPO means initial public offering. It's when a company says, hey, we're going to go public. We're offering you shares. You can get in at the pre-IPO price or the IPO price with Webull. And then when it goes public, hopefully that price goes up and you make a ton of money. So that's a cool option. Next, you can get in with crypto trading. So when you do that, they'll give you currently at this point in time $5 worth of SHIB, which is quite a bit of Shiba Inu because it's trading at fractions of a penny. So it's a lot of SHIB. Hopefully it'll go to $1 and you'll have tons of money from that. But we never know what it may do. If it pumps like Doge did, then you could make a ton of money by getting just $5 in Shiba Inu. So that would be really, really cool. $5 at this point in time would be like, I think 15,000 shares. My math could be a little off, but I think it's 0.002 of a penny. So if you spent $100, you'd get about 3 million. So if you spent $33, it'd be 1 million. So a sixth of a million would be about, 15,000 shares. Or 150,000 shares. Sixth of a million, because 200,000 would be a fifth of a million. So you're going to get about 150,000 coins of Shiba Inu, and that's $5 worth. Again, if that goes to $1 a coin, that'd be $150,000. Be pretty big. So you get the crypto account, they'll give you a bonus. That's at this point in time. 5 years from now, you're watching this video, the promotion will be different, and you'll be looking back being like, man, too bad I didn't do it 5 years ago and got $5 in SHIB when it's worth this. Or maybe it'll be worth nothing, and you'll be like, boy, good thing I didn't do it then. Either way, you can trade crypto. Now, you can't trade every crypto. There are thousands of different cryptocurrencies. Webull has a good handful of them. The main runners, Bitcoin, Ether, all of those. And then they're always adding some other cryptos depending on popularity, hype, what's hot in the markets. So it's a good place. But what I really like about it is, number one, it's a crypto wallet, so you can send stuff in and out, which is key. Number two is they have all kinds of research. So you can have this account. Now this goes with the crypto side and the brokerage side. So you can have access to all of this market data. They have news articles, they have analyst ratings, they've got all kinds of stuff right within the Webull app that you can use to make educated guesses, really, is what it is, or predictions or trades, as educated as you can be using all of their market data. So that's huge. Another cool part about Webull is, I mentioned briefly the contests that they have. So they have contests all the time, and they're not really contests, they're more of promotions. You're not competing against anyone. They just are offering you more if you do stuff. And it could be things like follow certain communities. They have a whole community section within Webull, kind of like Telegram or Reddit or Quora, where you can get in there and talk with other traders. You can ask them questions, you can answer questions, you can really get into the social aspect. And by doing that in certain promotions, they'll give you credit for that. So it might be fractional shares, might be bonus entries to win a prize drawing or spin a wheel, things like that. So it kind of keeps it fun, and it also gives you something to work for. They're going to give you more free money. So why wouldn't you do it if you have the time and want to trade and you want to communicate with people and help them out? So that's really cool. You can have a brokerage account, you can have a crypto trading account, you can participate in contests and promotions, and there's a community aspect about it. Now there's one more awesome thing that I really like about Webull that I'm going to touch on. There are a lot more smaller bits and pieces that go into it. It's a pretty comprehensive app. The IPO access is one of them. Other things like that within each section, but this part is really cool. They have what's called paper trading, and paper trading is a section that you can get, like, let's say it's $1 million or $100,000. They'll give it to you. Now it's fake. It's not real money. It's $100,000 in paper trading. So you'll get whatever amount of money allotted to you in this section of your account that you can start spending. You can buy shares, you can sell stock, you can trade options, and you can use this without risking anything. You're not going to make any money, you won't lose any money. It's 100% fake. However, the markets are real. So if you want to experiment with trading options, and you're like, boy, I don't really know how to trade options, I don't really want to risk my own money, paper trading. Now you can experiment with doing this stuff and trade, and if a trade goes south, or if you say, well, what does it mean if I buy 10 contracts or 1 contract? Oh, wow, it was like this. You can learn by doing without costing you any money. So this is really, really advantageous. It's so good of them to offer this for you. So even if you don't do anything else with Webull, but you're looking at getting started in investing, the stock market, brokerage accounts, crypto, options trading, all of that stuff, get Webull, get your free stuff, your free shares, then leave it there, switch over to paper trading, start practicing, trade, research, get involved in the community, ask questions, learn, paper trade. Maybe you turn that 100,000 into 300,000. Okay, cool, that's awesome. Now I'll take 10 grand of my personal money, my savings, and go trade for real. And you could still paper trade and learn and practice, and maybe you're going to buy some stocks with your money, but then you want to try options in the paper trading, or whatever the case may be. So it's a really neat aspect. It's a great learning tool. I highly encourage you to get on there and start experimenting with it. Now, you may say, hey, this guy is just making videos on a whole bunch of stuff to get free stuff. Yes, I want you to start getting free stuff. Money. Money is good. Now, what's even better than money is education and knowledge, and that's what the point of all of this is. Yes, I've made a video on Robinhood, and I'm going to be making, you can see it in a card up here, I'm going to be making tons of videos on other brokerage platforms, trading apps, stock exchanges, cryptocurrency places. So do I prefer one over the other? No, not really, but I'm highlighting the best parts of the certain ones that I would recommend. Now, I really do recommend Webull because it has paper trading. You can invest your money on Robinhood if you want, but get Webull in addition to Robinhood so you can practice with paper trading. I have both. You should have both because you're going to get free stuff for getting them. And even if you don't use them, why would it be a bad thing to have a few $100s in a couple different accounts that you got for free? You could leave it there. You can pass it on to your future generations. By the time your grandkids get it, it may be thousands and thousands of dollars that you got for free simply by taking 15 minutes of your time today to click on the link below, to fill out the stuff, and to sign up. Now, one more thing is, when you click on this link, it's not my link, it's not me, I'm not a part of any of it. So you're going to be going directly to Webull on your app. You can download the app, or you can do it online on the computer if you would prefer, and it's all there. I don't have any of your information, I don't get any of your information, I don't even know if you joined or not. If there's a promotion eligible, I may have a free share of stock pop up in my account that I can claim. And I won't know who it is or why or when or any of that. I might see a name or letters, such and such, but that's it. So your information is secure. I don't see it. Don't worry about that. Webull is a great platform that you can use mainly for your education. That's really the most valuable thing you can get. Yes, you're going to get some free shares of stock and hopefully some free crypto as well, which will help you keep investing and build wealth. That's what this channel is really helping you do. Is I hope to keep providing you great opportunities where you can start kind of side hustling and become an internet hustler to make some more money and let your money start working for you. So if you have any questions about Webull, number one, just download the app and get in the community and find them there, or comment below, because I can probably help you out with your questions. Now, I don't know a lot about Webull other than pretty much what I've shared with you because I'm not avid in there, but I can help you out. In addition, I really hope you subscribe to the channel, and I hope you liked this video. So hit the like button below and show that you did. If you subscribed, please comment below saying you subscribed. That'll be cool for me to see. And hit the bell icon to be notified when I post new videos, because I'm going to keep them coming to you. Weekly is the goal, so stay tuned, because you're going to have pretty much an opportunity to get some free cash every week if you keep coming through. So do it, get some free cash, save it, don't spend it, keep investing, and make educated choices with what you're doing. So again, thanks so much for tuning in. I hope this video helped you out, and I hope you join Webull using the link below to get some excellent bonuses. Until next time.